It's your boy G the Honcho, man. About to show y'all how some of us wash clothes behind the wall. This is a sheet. About to wash out the sheet. What we use, a regular bar of soap. Putting the soap. Trying to get this thing clean, man. Might have to use a whole bar of soap for this. Let the water pour a little bit of water run over. That's how the sheet look after it's done. I suggest what y'all about to see. Do not try this unless you have no choice. Climb on this table. Build a little line. That shit, hang your stuff up. Just let it dry. I know some of y'all never probably had to do no stuff like this. I know it sounds crazy, but it's clean. I mean, it smells all right, but I couldn't really get a lot of suds out of Dove. It's Dove soap. So next time I try to use the dial. Anyway, man, do y'all think this is a good soap? Even try to wash with? I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try it out. Yeah, man, that was just another one of my little crazy videos on how some of us wash clothes behind the wall. And yeah, it matters what soap you use, man. So, like I said, I'm gonna try this dial out and see can I outdo Dove. But yeah, we got a few choice of varieties, not much, but few. Let me know, have you ever had one of these experiences where you had no choice but to wash in the sink, wash your clothes in the sink? Get back at me, man. I'm out of here. Y'all have a peaceful day. Hey, this your boy G the Honcho, man. Quick behind the scene footage. I just want to say, man, whenever you bear hardship in life, always remain patient and calm, man. And just know eventually you're going to make it through. That's just for the strong, man. When you bear a hardship in life, just bear patient and be calm and humble. And just know you're going to make it through. I'm out of here.